Hello, so the next question is, in the circuit shown in the figure, the input voltage VI is 20 volts, VBE is 0 and VCE is 0. The values for IB, IC and beta are given by. So the correct option is where IB is 40 mu A and IC is 5 milliampere and beta is 125. So now let us see how we will find these values. So as we know that VI is equals to VBE plus RBIV from this very figure. So from here we will calculate IB, which will come out to be 40 mu ampere, and from this VO is equals to VCE minus RCIC. We will find IC, which will be 5 milliampere. 5 milliampere. Now substituting the value in beta, IC by IB, we will get 125. Thank you.